Assalamu alaikum guys. Now in this video I will let you know about how to power it on DJI Mavic 3 and how the controller we can use it with it. First we can see controller. There is a cable you can see over here. It's like, if I can show you, it's like this inside. This one and this one is like this. When you have controller, it's like this. You can push it out for your smartphone. Your smartphone will be connected over here. These are the supportings, and you can phone will be connected over this, and this cable will be used. There are two options you have over here. Here you have two options. One side is for Apple and other side is for Type C. So if you want to connect it Apple, you can put this side, this left side, and if you want to connect your mobile Type C mobile, you can connect it from this side. And there are other cables which are already in the box. You can also connect it from here. This is the option to connected with your this DJI Mavic 3 controller. So this is a simple method how you can power it on. You can press the button once again and it will be powered on, and it will show you the connection. There is connection here. You can show you the battery over here. So this is the controller demo. And if you want to on it, how you can on it? This is the battery over here. Here there are two buttons. You can push them and you can put the battery out, and you can, if you want to install the other one. So I am charging this Mavic 3. It's not fully charged. So I connect the cable, Type C cable over here, and it is on the charging. And I also power it on. There is a small button over here. You can press once, then you can hold it for 5 seconds and it will be powered on. And the lights, like here, this will be on your Mavic 3, DJI Mavic 3 drone. So this is the simple method. You can charge it fully first before you want to fly it outside, and then you need to install DJI form application on your Android, or you have Apple phone. You can download the app from there, and there is also a tag in the box. I already have shown you in my first video. So you can also scan code and you can install the app on your phone. When you install app, you can register your user on the DJI Mavic website application, and you log in, and then you find this Mavic 3 when it is connected with your phone, and it will automatically show you on your app. This is it will connected with your app automatically when you have connected with your USB cable. So this is a very simple method to install it. Then if you have so many other options in your drone, we will see in our live demo, inshallah, very soon. And I hope you guys have some good knowledge about it. And if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. And please like and subscribe my channel. And once again, thanks to all of you to take time and you see my video. So please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot.